Yeah, except for the marks on my course report from the last time when we didn't talk about it. Right now the internet is screaming at us, this is not how you put an engine into an E46.
Yeah, I don't care what the internet says, this is how we're doing it.
And to that internet I say, if it doesn't work, then why is it working? We're so good back there. So far it's like,
why can't I push it back? You're saying we're okay back
because it's touching the valve with the ass of the engine. It's not up on top of it.
I'm looking around back, I can't see.
It's still looking pretty good around back.
Yeah, that was a little tab.
Alright, we have a lot of bristle back.
Well, there's a lot of brake lines back here. We need to make sure the exhaust isn't catching.
I'm looking good on my side. I can't see your side.
You want to go over here? See all three feet of stuff.
Hold on for a second so I can adjust the heater lines. I think it's about low enough in that I can focus on the side of the engine. The one power steering hose is going to get knocked off the frame rail by the alternator, but that's fine. It's just kind of sit by it.
Push the motor this way. And we can put it on there, but we're not taking it off the crank. But it's pretty close, honestly.
Maybe get one or two bolts in, then we'll start moving things around the piston to start. Because last thing we want to do is start wiggling around to adjust something and then knock it back over.
I'm trying to feel around to how big the bolt holes are. Yeah, it needs to rotate.
Oh yeah, I can tell from up here. It looks like the engine has to go counterclockwise.
Like, because that needs to be
half a bolt hole gap.
We got an engine in the car.
Yep.
And it is held in with some bolts. Where's the, oh yeah, here's the light. There's all housing bolts there. And there's two more in the bottom. The engine is sitting on mounts. See, we're bolted up there. Engine's on mounts. But there's a motor in your car that theoretically runs, Nick.
Theoretically. So what we're waiting on now is the 30 different unforeseen issues.
Yeah, well. But hey, we can cross some things off the list. Let's see.
You forgot to add things to the list to cross off, such as like hydraulic line and such.
Well, you already wrote bleed clutch, so I'm crossing that off. I'm crossing off clutch because we put that on. I'm crossing off oil pan. That was on, obviously. Thought you said you bled the clutch.
No, I couldn't find my power bleeder.
Alright, why is next to that?
So we're going to manual bleed that.
Alright, put new engine in. I'm crossing that off.
You know, unlike the rest of our shit, this car isn't a 1979, so it needs the emission stuff.
No, it doesn't. That's optional. Yes, that's probably good for now. You need a new boot for that rack.
Don't talk about my rack.
Your rack's busted. And it looks like it's bigger on one side than it is on the other. And Nick, you're getting fluid everywhere.
I noticed.
Do it on the cardboard then.
Well, you're standing there.
Oh, I wasn't standing here and you started doing this, you jabroni, and now you just lost your shit. Nick, are you playing with your rack?
Mm-hmm.
It's in there. What, you putting the lines on still?
Yeah. Do you have a 17 up there somewhere?
Probably not. So the rack's in, yeah?
Yes, I like racks.
And what are you doing? Getting the steering shaft back in?
Yep, just finishing that up.
Alright. And we put on the Vanos oil feed line that we forgot to put on while the intake manifold was off, and it was a pain to get to, but we did it anyway line.
Yes.
Okay. And I'm going to go get this hose that's stuck off the coolant reservoir. And then we'll put the diff in, and then we'll put the engine mounts in, and then everything else, and then motor, and then vroom. Okay? Chris, are you having fun?
I'm just holding a shaft, man.
Damn it!
Hey Nick, having trouble down there?
Would you be able to electrical tape a bolt to a socket for me?
Why?
So that it doesn't fall out so I can actually get in the train so Chris
Will
can
you
let
give me
go
the
of it?
bolt and give me the socket?
But there's no electricity in it.
Well, I don't need the whole string of extensions, just give me the socket. Oh, it's on an extension, you couldn't have just like stuck it down here?
Well, oh, for fuck's sake, then quit arguing.
Pull the thing,
Right, camera
poke it
roll.
down here.
Third sentence. Watch it bang.
No, hold it, I don't want the whole
Matt,
thing.
it's just gonna take that extension.
I don't care. Ah!
Snapped in perfectly.
Clap on, clap off.
I can't clap right now. Damn it. That's really bright.
Can you get to the bell housing bolts now?
It's not the bell housing bolt so much as the starter bolt. The starter is not in the correct position.
Starter's vaguely in the right place. You're going to need to realign it. Hey, look, the axle's going back in. That sounded a lot like a wet fart. Probably need to turn it.
Well, it's in. It's just.
Oh.
I suppose you could shoot gear oil into the differential, and
We need a hose.
there's a box over there.
Those are vacuum hoses.
Matter?
It does to me.
It goes this way, right? Oh, wait.
That's up pointing at your ass.
Oh, my. Alright.
Matt, did you finish tightening up the front subframe bolts?
Nope.
Old heating hose going into the diff.
Probably. Hopefully some of the oil's going in. Ah!
It's...
The hose came out. Hose merchants out. There we go. Uh-huh.
It's going in.
Nick, just so you are aware, I have spilled gear oil on your brakes.
Well, you better clean it then.
Hey! It's pouring out. It's pouring. Oh, Lord.
Oh, my
Oh, God.
Good thing you put the pan there. Damn.
Chris, are you pouring lube in Nick's hole?
I'm being useful.
So how many is that? We think
six.
almost 7. Well, no,
6,
there's-
almost 7.
Yeah.
6 that we dumped in there, and then we'll call it almost 7. It's actually with the filter
Yeah.
right now.
Nick, you bleeding the clutch still?
It's not bleeding particularly.
We have company. Who is company? It's a truck. It's a dad.
Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Still nothing.
Yeah, I still hear air every time.
Yeah, air.
Is it blowing out or sucking in?
It's blowing out. Push it down, Chris. I mean, it pushed the piston up some.
Yes, it is. I'm going to cross off some things we've already done, like the bell housing bolts.
Did you tighten up that front subframe bolt?
Diff, no, I told you to.
I'll
Rack.
get the one on my side over, so you gotta get the driver's side then.
Wiring, vacuum lines. Oil's mostly in, gear oil's in, coolant's mostly in, coolant hose is on.
Did you clean the gear oil off my brakes?
Yes. Why didn't you tighten the other subframe bolt?
Because I said in the oath, I thought you were going to do it.
No, I told you I wasn't doing it, that
Alright,
you should do
then
it.
Get it.
Lazy ass. So is drive shaft getting on?
Just about.
And pretty much everything up here is good. Sure, we'll have to add more oil and coolant,
What's
but
the to-do list looking like?
oil and coolant. Those are the only two things.
Beautiful.
So I guess I didn't write drive shaft on there. But he's putting it on. Oh, and I guess we'll hook up the battery when he's done, but...
Wait.
Yes, you can write that on there. Wheels are even on. Drive shaft, you
drive
can like
shaft
cross
on?
half of it off.
Almost. One last bolt.
The drive or the shaft?
Shaft.
Done.
Drive shaft off.
Yay!
Right exhaust.
I was about
Exhaust needs tightened.
I'm doing things again.
Alright, so. All the exhaust shit's laying over there?
I told you
Yes.
there's 4 bolts there.
Alright, I'm going to kick wrenches out at you.
Well, hey, you said wrenches. That's a bottle. Liar. Yeah, we'll clean this up later. Oh god, that really ain't a wrench. And Nick, you're cleaning this up later. Now he's kicking a walrus out. Nick, you realize these are the last 4 bolts?
Well, besides the mini screws that hold this under tray, and I gotta put
I'm not worried about an under tray. I want to see if it runs.
Well, the tray was missing on my other car, but still.
Forget the small stuff. Let's get this thing moving.
By the way, I hope you realize that the washer fluid tank's probably optional too, since that's not in. I guess that's over
Well,
here.
I'm gonna put that in while I'm doing this.
Except,
There's a new pump in the box over there.
fine.
Well, that's one of the things that wasn't working that was bothering you was the headlight washers.
Well, they're not going to work anyway because the one nozzle on the one side's out, so it's just open. Hey! Did you write washer jug on there?
Pump.
Yeah, you can cross those off.
And cross them off.
Guess we could put water in it. Hey, look, there's actually...
Hey, look, there's actual stuff that you're supposed to do.
Yep, that'll work. Alright, battery's tight. Do we see if it runs while it's on jack stands, or do we take it off jack stands?
May as well just see if it starts first.
Alright, Nick, let's see.
Alright,
Oh my.
ready?
Yeah.
That clutch pedal doesn't feel quite right.
Make sure it's out of gear. Holy shit. Alright, Nick, shut it off. We probably need to check the oil. Yeah, it's
That's really bad.
leaking washer fluid still. But it ran! Surprisingly.
I think the clutch needs bled more. How's the pedal feel, Chris?
It feels very stiff. Like I can't get it to go to the floor. Unless you let the bleeder go. So I think it's good.
I think you've maxed out the jack there, Nick.
Alright, clear? Clear?
Clear. Alright. Oil.
Yes, let's check the oil. Where's the dipstick? Oh, hey, there he is.
And keep in mind, engine's been overhauled. It's going to take more than just the, oil change capacity to fill it.
Well, I don't care what the capacity is. I care that it's on the damn dipstick so we can get out of here because it's 10 of fucking 20.
10:20.
You're damn straight it is.
I don't think that's a time.
It is. I'm cranky. I haven't had dinner.
Do you want to get food somewhere, or is it too late for you? It won't even take a
Here,
whole
Nick.
board.
Hey, let's do what Le'Veon Bell won't do. Take the thing!
Take the hand off.
Oh, did we put in all of Le'Veon Bell's housing bolts?
Just put the damn oil
Somebody
in the
had
motor.
to. He sure as hell wasn't going to do it.
I'm not David Freiberger.
Is there oil in the motor? Is there oil in the motor?
Yes.
Is there oil in the motor?
Okay.
Got schmutzed up. It's got walrus grease on it.
Schmutzed. What are you, an 85-year-old Jew?
I will kick you square in the crotch.
Didn't know crotches were square.
Good. Make your doors not latch. Do you have an oil pressure gauge?
No, but it's not mentioned about no oil pressure, so.
They actually lit up like a Christmas tree
Oh,
over
yeah.
anything? Oh, yeah.
Oh, we forgot to put power steering fluid in it.
Oh.
Ah!
Yeah, power steering fluid would help. Open the hood. You gotta see if it'll move under its own power now.
You guys watch yourselves in case the clutch isn't fully disengaged or anything crazy.
Well, put it in reverse.
Yeah, don't go forward. Safety first.
And if you don't Asian turn out of the garage, I'm gonna be disappointed. Parking brake.
It's off. It's stuck. Parking brake. Parking brake ready. Parking brake off. At the back. Yeah, I had parking brake there.
Hold on.
Move forward a little bit, then might unlock. That's not working either. Yeah, parking brake's stuck.
Okay, probably just cable or something. Just been sitting so long, who knows?
Just get up here where it's safe
Happy now.
while he does this, because something
So this
might
could end
explode.
horribly.
That's why I'm up where it's safe.
He's trying to break the parking brake loose.
He's going to purposely break something after everything had just gotten fixed. Yay!
It's still on pretty good.
Yeah, so is it the cable that's stuck?
It's probably the actuators inside the road. Well, regardless, once they're stuck, it needs new parking brake parts.
Well,
So, one way or the other, I have to redo. Whether
Yeah.
I drive it home and destroy the shoes or not.
so you might as well just drive it home and destroy the shoes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Either way, you're coming to clean that up on your own tomorrow. Oh yeah, that is quiet now. Lifter noise is gone.
Sounds pretty good.
And the only light that's on still is the washer fluid.
You can hear a little bit of the popping in the exhaust getting burned out.
Yeah.
Sounds like it's all foods.
It's running good though now.